It's your main man, Daym Drops. We are in my home state of Connecticut. I'm gonna be taking you on tour of all the local mom and pop spots that I love, my childhood. I'm about to visually feed you nothing but greatness all day. First stop, Cricket Car Hop in Stratford, Connecticut. Cricket is known for its hot dogs.
Long hot dog served on a toasted New England style bun.
If someone comes here for the first time and they get a hot dog, what do they have to have on that hot dog?
Everything. Everything, yeah.
The Cricket Car Hop has been in existence since the late 40s.
How long you been coming to Cricket?
50 years. And the hot dogs are the same as they were 50 years ago.
Ron!
Daym.
What's going on, brother?
How's
How you
it
feeling,
going?
man?
Good.
All right, Ron, you know what it is. I'm gonna need a long dog with the works on there.
We got it. We got our foot-long dog and our toasted New England roll. We have mustard, red relish, our special hot sauce, and sauerkraut.
Oh, and let it rain. Relish action. You can't have everything if you don't put everything on it. Ooh. It was like that hot sauce came through barking at me, like a hot dog is supposed to bark at you. It was a love story between a man and his hot dog. Hey, I'm gonna need like 2 more, 3 more of these to go. Thanks, wrap that up. This is my cousin Claude. We've been coming to Crickets, together for at least over a good 15 years plus. How many bikes did we run through just riding over the Crickets?
A million bikes.
It's a family thing, bro.
Cheers.
Cheers, man. Next location, Drumstick Barbecue in Bridgeport, Connecticut. If my mother says a spot is good, it has to be good.
Barbecue is amazing, second to none.
Freshly made, home cooked. Can't beat it. Better than home cooked, actually. Don't tell my mom that.
Hey, what's going on, baby?
Very well. Yourself?
I'm hungry.
Well, you come to the right place. Drumstick Barbecue. Been a family business since 1964. Going strong for 55 years.
I need your drumettes, bro.
Definitely. Make sure it's coated.
Ooh.
Shake off any extra water. You want to make sure it's evenly breaded.
I'm over here whipping up this work. What's so special about this right here, man?
That breading mix is a special.
This right here.
That's a 55-year-old recipe.
Now, is there a special way to shake it up?
Usually back and forth.
Back
Kinda
and
go.
forth?
Yeah, just like that. And then up and down just to get any extra.
Get off there.
Yep,
Sometimes you gotta talk to the flour, blah, 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 just like that. That look good?
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Good chicken coming through, good chicken coming through.
And when we drop it, set it for 12 minutes, and after it comes out, it's good to go.
This is what we came for. You take your drumette, you hit it inside some of this mango habanero. Ooh. It's like, hey, listen, I'm coming in with a little bit of spiciness for you, but I'm gonna be sweet at the same time. I'm gonna give you a kiss on your cheek after I slap your face. Comes in, pow, you're like, why you do that? Okay, thank you. My man.
Damn.
You do nothing but serve up greatness over here, brother. This one right here is the reason I've been coming to Drumstick Barbecue, and this is my mother, Valerie Patterson. Now, just let the folks know, how good is this food?
This food is excellent. Let me tell you, I love it, love it, love it.
Drumstick Barbecue, baby. Bridgeport, Connecticut.
Place to be.
We're at Modern Pizza out here in New Haven, Connecticut. Now, I've been coming here since the early 2000s, and they've been in business for over 84 years. I'm missing out on some time, but I'm gonna make it up today.
What's up?
How you feeling, man?
Good, how are you? We've been here since 1934, same location, same oven. Today we're gonna make the Italian bomb.
Well, let's make the magic happen.
Let's go. Onions, peppers, pepperoni, sausage. And we're gonna let you get the best part.
What's the best? I hope it's the bacon.
Ooh, how'd you know?
I hope it's the bacon. You put bacon on everything.
And this pie is actually healthy for you because there's 3 vegetables and 3 meats. They cancel out the meat, so this is a diet pizza.
See?
You never
I'm over
knew
here
that, right?
losing weight eating pizza.
Now, in the oven. And here we go, brothers, your Italian bomb.
Hold on. Ooh, I just got weak in the knees right there. There's something about a brick oven pizza. When that bad boy comes up out the oven, you take a bite and it has that like thin crust action, extra crisp. I could talk to you about it, but I have to be about it today. You never disappoint. You don't even know how to disappoint.
It was a ball making a pizza with you.
I hope you are visually full as I am physically full right now. Rach, now you know where you need to come when you come out to Connecticut.